The National Security Guard Center in Manesar has become home to the newly established Canine Training Center, a unique school where police and paramilitary dogs are taught new tricks to deal with the issues of national security. The school, which started this year, has 20 canine recruits who are taught various arts in new ways to protect the nation.
This is known as Canine Tactical Training School.
Right.
This is a, you can say, a initiative on part of NSG.
All right.
A vision of the DG.
आप कितने घंटे बिताते हैं इसके साथ हर दिन?
कम से कम हमारे 8 घंटे तो बीतते हैं।
8 घंटे रोज, ताकि वो बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग रहे। अच्छा।
किसी भी ट्रेड में कंप्लीट होने के लिए बेसिक होना जरूरी है। बेसिक में जब परफेक्ट हो जाता है उसके बाद हम उसको किसी भी ट्रेड में काम ले सकते हैं। बेसिक में आता है उठो, बैठो, लेटो, रेस्ट, समतल वगैरह ये चीज़।
तो ये सब कराने में कितना टाइम लगता है, ट्रेनिंग कराने में, कि वो बिल्कुल
बेसिक का 3 मंथ का है।
Canine recruits are brought for advanced training to the NSG, often referred to as a postgrad by most trainers. The training is intensive and requires the handler and the dog to practice for more than 8 hours a day. So what is the idea behind this new school?
You can say that selected lot is sent here.
Okay.
Because this being the last resort that country has against especially urban terror if it strikes.
Right, absolutely.
So the people who are doing well in their respective fields, they are sent here.
Okay.
जैसे ग्रेजुएशन के बाद पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन होता है, ये हमारा पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कोर्स।
अच्छा, ओके। और ये भी 3 महीने का है?
हाँ, ये भी 3 महीने।
10 से 12 हफ्ते। ठीक है। तो सर, इनका राशन वगैरह क्या होता है? जैसे इनको रोज क्या खिलाया जाता है और कितना खिलाया जाता है?
वैसे तो हर स्टेट का अपना अपना राशन स्किल है। कई स्टेट में ज़्यादातर अब रेडीमेड फीड यूज़ हो रहा है। अच्छा। लेकिन कुछ जगह पे अपने हिसाब से भी देते हैं। फिर ये हैंडलर पे डिपेंड करता है कि हैंडलर अपने डॉग की किस तरीके से केयरिंग करता है। तो उसको एडिशन भी दूध है, अंडे हैं और चीज़ें भी दे सकता है जो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से अलाउ है उसके अलावा।
तो सर, ये ऑल्सो डिपेंड करता है कि डॉग किस चीज़ के लिए ट्रेन हो रहा है। जैसे अगर असॉल्ट डॉग है तो उनका क्या फीड अलग होगा ईडी डॉग से?
उसकी खुराक थोड़ी ज़्यादा रहेगी।
अच्छा।
और उसकी एक्स्ट्रा सप्लीमेंट्री फूड भी ज़्यादा रहेगी।
We actually are using modern techniques where dog is not forced. Okay. The obedience to order is slowly inculcated. Right. By starting from the obedience to the reward.
Okay.
NSG, the other paramilitary forces you have, they have their own parent cadre.
Okay.
And their own recruitment.
Right.
This being the Federal Contingency Reserve Force, here the entire manpower that is there is on deputation. Earlier it was obedience to handler, the master, the trainer. Right. Now the modern thing is obedience to order.
Obedience to order.
So, being in army, you want that your dog should behave properly and he should be very obedient.
Right.
But now, when you come to the modern this thing, they want that dog should perform his duty to the best possible result. He should not miss a scent of explosive, whether it be in any nook and corner of the area being searched. So, the modern technique wants that dog should catch hold of that explosive, smell that explosive and indicate it to you. Right. By whatever means. Right. But it should not be missed. Right. So now we have a few of the ED dogs which are for the counter hijack task. We are training the small Cocker Spaniels.
All right.
And then there are the main, you can say, the power behind the punch is the assault dog.
Okay. Right. Which are German Shepherds?
They are now the Belgian Shepherds.
All right. Okay.
Malinois dogs.
All right.
By doing the thing that you actually desire from the dog,
right,
you give him such circumstances that behavior which is expected out of him will not be taught to him.
Right.
That he will do by himself.
Okay.
जैसे ये रूम इंटरव्यूएशन में है
जी,
डॉग जो है पहले सडले हम तैयार करते हैं किसके ऊपर? हथियार पकड़े हुए आदमी के ऊपर जी। अब जैसे टेररिस्ट है अंदर और जब हमारा डॉग हिट के साथ में चल रहा है
तो फर्स्ट में जो हमने अपने डॉग को रूमिटेशन के लिया क्या भेजा है, तो उसने क्या काम किया है कि जो अंदर टेररिस्ट है उसका दिमाग जो है अपने ऊपर ले लिया जी। उस जो टेररिस्ट का दिमाग किस पे गया? डॉग के ऊपर। जो हमारे बल है, जो हमारा एनएजी कमांडो वगैरह है, वो क्या करेंगे उतनी देर में उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करेंगे। अच्छा। जिससे कि उसका मिशन वहाँ फेल होगा।
So what should have been advanced or a specialized kind of training based on new techniques?
Right.
It happened to be that you are training a novice or a immature into getting to the specialized level where they are actually deployed to the most strategic locations. Or for example, you have a dog of a Delhi police. Delhi police dog who is not even recognizing the basic explosive orders. Right. So it is just having the face value of it. We'll show you. Okay. See how these dogs are trained for different things and what actually the modern tactical levels or tactical training is.
Right. Dogs are trained as sniffer dogs to locate bombs, assault dogs, as well as counter hijack dogs. Bomb location is a difficult and tedious job, especially when it presents itself in actual real-life situations.
We have got an intimation that somebody might have placed a bomb out there. So you don't know where the bomb is. That is an ID. It can be in the form of this bag. It can be in the form of this suitcase or this gori wala kapda, whatever. Right. So now the dog has to sniff everything. And from everything he has to demarcate and distinguish the explosive order. This is the explosive detection canine training wall, right. And this is a V junction. Okay. One arm is for actually keeping the explosive. This is the PEK, plastic explosive key, what they call it. All right. And this is the other arm. The person standing here will not know that where the dog is sitting. The dog will just, you will see, he will sit down. He will not know where the dog is sitting. He will not know where actually the explosive is. Right. The master trainer would know. Anyone. When he actually sits down at the right spot where there is the explosive, he will put down this ball. And dog, you will see, will be so attentive and he'll only want this ball. They are all at different levels. Right. And dog would be at a distance from the master. Right. The dog is working on his own on the concept of obedience to orders.